Hi, my name is Mark Newman-Kuzel. I'm President and CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove rust from a stainless sink. You're going to need a few products: sponge with scruffy reverse, some stainless steel remover, and the pre-mixed form of calcium lime rust remover I put together, and the paper towel. Take your sponge with some good elbow grease, get in there, and luckily the rust is coming right off right away, which is good. Just run some water to get that. Get rid of that sponge. And I had actually already sprayed this on the sponge if you're wondering how it got out of there so quickly. Some stainless steel polish. I love this stuff. Just make sure you have a well-ventilated room so you're not breathing that. And that, my friends, is how you clean rust from a stainless steel sink. I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel with Made in USA.